Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to talk to you about a very important topic, why diets set you up for failure and temporary results. Prior to heading on to our video, I request everyone to subscribe to my channel and like this video. It doesn't cost anything to be nice. Make my day by subscribing to this channel. Thank you. Now, you've probably heard of many different types of diets, such as keto, paleo, vegan, intermittent fasting, and so on. Maybe you've even tried some of them yourself, hoping to lose weight, improve your health, or feel better. But did you know that most diets are actually counterproductive and harmful in the long run? According to research, 95% of people who go on a diet end up regaining the weight they lost within 1 to 5 years. Not only that, but they also experience negative effects such as lower metabolism, hormonal imbalances, increased hunger, decreased energy, mood swings, and more. Why is that? The main reason is that diets are based on restriction and deprivation. They tell you what you can and cannot eat, how much you can and cannot eat, and when you can and cannot eat. They make you feel guilty and ashamed if you break the rules or cheat on the plan. They create a mindset of scarcity and fear around food, which leads to binge eating, emotional eating, and overeating. Diets also ignore the fact that everyone is different and has different needs, preferences, and goals. They don't take into account your lifestyle, your activity level, your medical history, your genetics, your hormones, or your emotions. They treat food as a one-size-fits-all solution, which is unrealistic and unsustainable. So what's the alternative? How can you achieve your health and weight goals without dieting? The answer is simple: intuitive eating. Intuitive eating is a way of eating that is based on listening to your body and honoring its signals. It's about eating what you want, when you want, and how much you want, without guilt, shame, or judgment. It's about finding a balance between nourishment and pleasure, between health and happiness. Intuitive eating has many benefits, such as it improves your metabolism and helps you burn more calories. It balances your hormones and reduces inflammation. It increases your energy and boosts your mood. It reduces your stress and anxiety levels. It enhances your self-esteem and body image. It fosters a positive and respectful relationship with food and yourself. Intuitive eating is not a diet, it's a lifestyle. It's not a quick fix, it's a long-term solution. It's not about rules, it's about freedom. It's not about failure, it's about success. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. And don't forget to share it with your friends and family who may benefit from it as well. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.